Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is Wednesday. It's March 13, 2024. Right now it's 11:13 p.m. Kind of late, but we'd like to finish this kind of weekly it's like a daily update on the post-market analysis. So first, look at the market movement. So overnight, last night, is it's kind of pretty much a stay between like within this zone, and it was not able to move. I mean, overall it looks pretty kind of bearish, and it once kind of touch below the zone of this closing zone, and after the market open, and we can see that it actually it broke down. First is touching here. Let's move over to the SPX, and it opened almost kind of like we can say flat, and it tried a bit kind of going above, but it quickly kind of reversed down, and it seems like this level it was a pretty strong support here, so it stopped right there and come back up here, and it have been kind of chopping here pretty long time, and eventually this is about after 12 o'clock it chose to kind of slowly moving up and get to almost like a 51.80, and getting pretty close to what it tested here, but it did not actually make a new high. It did not go higher than the yesterday. So this I believe everyone would feel like here looks pretty bearish, and the fact is that it make a new high after 1 o'clock, and but this is after 2:30, almost getting to 3 o'clock, and but unfortunately there's a big kind of a move down here, and I don't know how many people might feel this is kind of still sort of kind of bullish or things like that, and based on this move, and almost like there may be lots of like the stop order kind of below here, and it end up kind of a very quick push down here. I feel like it triggered the stop loss order and going all the way down here, and it's amazing. If we look at this bar, it's like it's more than 18 points. That's insane. We're talking about this 5 minutes bar. But it was able to quickly move back up here, and eventually it closed at 51.65. And if we take a step back, actually 51.65 is the middle of this high, today's high and low. So that essentially that means like it's waiting for a decision to tomorrow. Pretty much it's like either going to the continue up here or having another leg down here. So the fact that the CPI data released like yesterday, and it really is. I don't know how people kind of going to interpret those data, but the market seems like I mean, on the surface, it seems like not good, and that's the reason that kind of, even though it try to kind of move, kind of open up pretty like a gap up, but later it moved down very sharply like a heel. But it seems like there are lots of kind of buy order here. I guess this is kind of something people kind of waiting to get in, and you only see market kind of spike up here a lot and close higher. Today is like even though there's a stop loss order, this is probably more like for the traders. But once it get down to here, it seems like really activated lots of like a buy orders here. I can only kind of speculate, sort of like that way. Again, it closed at the middle, and so a decision I would say is going to be made tomorrow. So tomorrow it would be interesting, and I believe it should be we should see a bigger move tomorrow, and tomorrow likely tomorrow it could move 40 or 50 points tomorrow. So, but we'll see. If we look at say 50 points, so 65, that would put around here 52.25. That's kind of like about 60 points move, and going down here is like a 51.05. So it would be this area. So it would be interesting to see that whether tomorrow going to move that much, either up here 50 to 25 area, or probably 51.10, this area. So so let's move over to the I could kind of touch on the future here. So these are these level got realigned with today's close, and so we can see here that it right now kind of staying within this zone, and where is it going to go tomorrow? Right now future is up like 4 points. I think that at one point that this probably it could have moved up by 10 points already, and to me that's pretty bullish for tomorrow. And with the experience here on Tuesday, that means like it doesn't matter what tomorrow, market going to go up, probably just sit tight, strap yourself, and just get on the ride. That's possible. And next week is a Fed rate decision day. Tuesday will be starting the meeting. Wednesday will be the rate decisions. How market going to act like before the Fed decision? And tomorrow, what that means, like is going to is it going to kind of try to push the limit and see how high it's able to reach, and then probably from there maybe coming back down, and then waiting for the Fed decision day to after the Fed decision day to make a further move, possible, and just but it seems like market kind of make up its mind, and as long as other people said, as long as it's not increasing the rate and market is okay, it's probably still going to hang in there. Yeah, so let's just see quickly kind of look at the calendar. I know the kind of went through it like yesterday already, but this is for the Thursday, and as we can see, the biggest things tomorrow is the PPI, retail sales, initial job list claims, and core PPI, and um, yeah, all these are kind of like inflation related data, and also retail sales. That's at 8:30, and it's a really big data dump here. So how market going to interpret it? It's going to be pretty interesting. And also, where the market going to position itself before the before 8:30 will be essential will be somewhere here, kind of still nearby this. It could be still going to be within this zone, like basically around this 51.65 level, or probably a bit bullish, probably at somewhere probably at 51.17. And as of right now, is around that level, 51.70 level. So, and then 10 o'clock have a business inventory, retail inventory, and 10:30 have the natural gas, and then 11:30 have the treasury bill auctions, and 12 o'clock have mortgage rate. So yeah, main thing I believe it would be like 8:30, and then certainly 10 o'clock. That's going to be maybe also going to be pretty important as well. Probably not as significant as for sure. It's not going to be as significant as 8:30. We shall see how things are going to shape up tomorrow, and so just I would say just play in the moment, and could have the idea that what kind of scenario is going to play out, but probably don't clinch that much to the scenario that in our mind. And wish you all the luck, and may the energy be with you all time. Thank you.